Hello everyone, this is Tapas Mukherjee. I am back again with a new video today. Earlier in one of my videos I have shown you part of the chapter on degree of comparison of adjectives and adverbs. Today I will finish the rest part of it. But before starting my video, I must make you remind again the previous lessons, about the previous lessons and about what is called superlative degree and positive degree, because today I am going to show you how the interchange of positive degree to superlative degree is made. Okay, now let's start. What do you know? Positive degree. Positive degree as, at, so as. This is when the sentence is affirmative and this is when the sentence is negative. There are some sentences when no other and very few are added with this structure, means these positive degree sentences, such as no other, and very few. These two words are used with positive degree. Now we have to see when these two words are used. I give you through I make you understand through some examples. See here, look here. Positive degree no other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. This we have to change this positive degree into superlative. No other means, we have to understand, no other means when he is the highest, he has the highest quality of anything than that of others, than that of a group, than that quality of a group. No other means the highest. No other means the highest. Very few means he is not the highest, but there are some other people also who has the same quality. Means one of the. Very few means one of the. And he has not the highest quality. He has not the highest quality. There are some others who have that quality. Now superlative degree means no other peak, means Mount Everest. We have to shift the last subject in front of the sentence. So Mount Everest is, the adjective is high. Here the adjective is high. The third root means the superlative form of high is highest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay. Similarly, next example, let me show you the next example. Very few empires of India are as great as Akbar. Very few. Very few means Akbar was not the very few emperors of India were as great as Akbar. Means Akbar was not the one, only one emperor, greatest emperors. There were some other emperors also in India who were the same quality of Akbar. Here we use positive superlative. Akbar, we have to change the last subject, shift the last subject in front of the sentence. Here Akbar has come into the first place, first position. Akbar was one of the great superlative degree of great is greatest. One of the greatest emperors of India. Look, positive degree as and so as, positive degree having the expression as and so as, and also it contains no other and very few. Positive degree also contains no other and very few. No other means the highest degree. When we compare draw a comparison between a person and between the quality of a person and then that of the quality, but then that of a group of his, then his group, it is called no other. Then it is used no other, and very few when he is the not only one that has the same quality, but there are some others also who have the same quality. Then we use one of that. Positive degree, no other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. Superlative, when we change this sentence to superlative sentence, we have to interchange the subjects. Interchange the subject means here no other peak with Mount Everest. Here the Mount Everest peak is compared to that of other peaks. So here Mount Everest is brought in the front side. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest. Why here we use superlative degree? Because no other refers to the highest quality. And the other example is very few emperors of India were as great as Akbar. Now there are other type of sentences containing these forms no other and very few, and they have to change into comparative degree using than any other or that many other. Okay, let's show. No other metal is so useful as iron. Comparative. No other metal is so useful as iron. We have already discussed that no other means the highest quality. In this case, while changing positive to comparative degree, we use than any other. In place of no other, when no other is used in positive degree, we while changing comparative, we use than any other, means the highest. Okay. In the same way, iron is placed in front of the sentence. By in front position, iron is useful. The third form of superlative degree of useful is the most. Iron, no other metal is iron is comparative way more useful. Than any other metal. Iron is more useful comparative. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Next example. Very few boys are as good as Ravi. Very few boys are as good as Ravi. Ravi is good. Comparative degree of good is better. Ravi is better than very few, means one of the. Tale Ravi is better than many other. Ravi is better than many other boys. Okay. This is the process how to interchange positive degree to comparative, and first I have showed you positive degree to superlative, then I showed you positive degree to comparative. Okay. One thing you must remember, that when we use no other, then we use singular subject plus singular verb. But when we use very few plus plural subject plus plural bhar. Okay. This is the last portion, and I have already finished the whole chapter, the interchange of degree of comparison. I think you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like, share it with your near and dear ones. Thank you.